So this, guys, is going to be the existing furnace that we have. We have a really old system. It's a 100,000 BTU furnace with a 4 or 5 ton fan. Its width is going to be 21.5 wide. All the way top to bottom, we are 61.5 inches. It's got a 5-inch exhaust going to a main stack. We'll need a 5-inch reducer from this section down to go from 5-inch to 4-inch. And we'll probably, I don't know if it's going to need this big of a furnace. We're probably going to downsize it maybe 1 step. But I'll do a heat loss calc to verify that. You guys are going to need a pre-built base can down here, and the filter rack will actually be right down here for you. So it should be, all you got to do is open the door, flip open a panel, take it right out, put it back in a new one. It's really easy instead of trying to undo this door and it's behind there. So that's kind of what we're going to be doing with that, guys. Just having an easy access door panel that just flips up or flips down for them. That'll be it for this. The cold air return and the gas valve are going to be the next main things. Gas is coming in right here, all hard piped into the actual gas valve itself. We do want to go ahead and replace this and put in the newer fittings for them as well, and then just go ahead and replace this entire section and put hard pipe and flex in it as well to just get it a little bit more modernized. You have the electrical shut off, I believe, with the old style bus fuses just right there, and then the cold air return drop. It's best to go through this door so you can kind of see it. Thank you. But cold air return basically goes down and then it bends over to this side and then goes into the system. It's only an 8x20, and I know this at least needs an 8x24 due to the intake. You got a couple options. You guys can either extend it out a little bit further this way and kind of allow for that extra airflow. You guys can build up a bigger base can if it needs a little bit more airflow for that purpose as well. Got a couple few options, but the ductwork itself, you can't really extend it because it's already an 8x20 all the way through. This is the main return line right here for the system. So trying to extend it out and widen it, possibility, but I will let you guys tackle that. My thought process is probably just widening it at the base to allow for a little bit better airflow coming through, and that base can should ultimately help out as well. That's going to be the overall idea. We also have a 4-inch fresh air intake for this area that's feeding the furnace and the water heater. And that's going to be everything that we're looking at here, guys. Actually, I think one other thing I missed is going to be this humidifier. So with the humidifier on the right side of this main plenum, we do just want to go ahead and take that out it's not working. The existing shut off is shut off for the system, and yeah, it's probably not in the greatest shape either. But just go ahead and patch that ductwork as well, and that'll be everything.